beautiful YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. I feel like I should be welcoming myself back to my channel. I haven't been here in quite some time. Quick life update, I'm not gonna take long. I actually just started working at MAC for these past few months. I have learned so much. I feel like I've grown so much as a person and as a makeup artist, and I really just want to share a lot of things that I have learned with you guys. Today's video is a really exciting one because I'm going to be showing you guys how to match a foundation that does not match your skin. I definitely just failed at explaining to you guys what I'm going to be doing in today's video, so let me re-explain. Basically, I'm just going to be showing you guys how to make a foundation that's not your color look like it is. Anyways, stay tuned in this video to see how I got a foundation that was way too dark for me to look like it's my skin. Also, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I really want to grow my YouTube family. I want to show you guys techniques and things that I've learned and all of that. So yeah, let's make this a thing. Let's make this a usual. Let's go on a little date every week. Also, make sure you like this video too, if you like what I taught you. Anyways, let's just jump right into the video. So for today's video, I'm so excited to be showing you guys what foundation I'm going to be using, and it is this L'Oreal 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. These are pretty new. The whole beauty community has been raving about it, especially one of my favorite YouTubers, Tati Westbrook. I swear it's been in like all of her videos, so when I saw it at Walmart, I was like, yes, please let me take that. And also, you know what's really crazy is Walmart had testers of these foundations. Since when does Walmart do testers? Never. So when I was at Walmart, like I said, I got to test the foundations out, see what colors were working for me. So I determined that 425 is my shade, or maybe 420, but I like to go a little deeper, so I did 425. For the sake of this video, to try to prove to you guys that yes, really almost any foundation shade you can make work for you, I got 480. Now let me tell you guys, there's quite a few shades in between those. Okay, I'm ready. First, I'm going to prime. I'm using this Almay 5-in-1 primer. It's cool. I mean, it does the job. It keeps me hydrated. It just like, I don't know if you guys could see it, but those little beads inside there, they really get stuck and like, I can't get it out. I'm just gonna go ahead and rub this in my skin. I'm just gonna go ahead and get a good amount on there. And this foundation is very runny, like, wow. So first in my foundation routine, I like to just take my foundation and kind of just plop it, and really, as you can see, this is not my shade, so I'm gonna try to keep a light hand with this so it'll look really good. And I'm not gonna put too much under my eye because I like to conceal under there. Now that I have this foundation all over my face and I look like our president. Now the next step is a concealer, and when trying to match a foundation that's not your color to you, concealer is going to be your best friend. Now obviously your concealer should not be the same color as the foundation that's horribly not matching me right now. I'm going to be going in with the MAC Studio Fix Concealer in NW22. This is beautiful, and some people may be wondering why I'm using a warm toned concealer even though I'm cool toned. It's because if you have any hyperpigmentation underneath your eye, any darkness, the warmness will help combat that, whereas if you put a cool tone concealer, it's really going to make it look maybe like gray or ashy. It's just a big no-no. So to help out this little bit of darkness I have going on under here, I'm using a nice warm tone concealer, and I am going to, let's see, I'm going to drag it out just a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to take my beauty blender and just blend that right in as I would normally. Now as you guys can see, I still look really orange, and this line going on here, it's a no-go. I'm going to take the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. This is a bomb concealer. This is in the shade, let me find it, Ivory. This shade matches me. So now I'm going to go ahead and take this concealer and just go right in the center of my forehead. I'm going to go ahead and kind of highlight with this concealer. guys, let's get serious. This is the most important trick that I'm going to show you guys today. So, now normally you see like these Instagram people going like, ooh, right? Like right there on the center of a chin, like, ooh, let's highlight it. Highlight your beard. And I picked this concealer to do it because I love that applicator for this. And also, I don't drag my makeup down on my neck because I hate it. Like, I'm not even being dramatic, I freaking hate it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and tap, tap, tap this into the skin, get this nice and blended in with that foundation. I know it kind of looks crazy right now that there's 2 different colors on my face, but once I contour and bronze and all that jazz, you are not even gonna be able to tell, honey. Listen, some people who have been in this industry for years don't even know how to do this. They don't even know how to do this. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and, actually, I was gonna use bronzer, but we're already very warm. Let's cool things down a bit. I'm taking my ABH contour kit. It's busted. Don't say anything about it, let me live. I'm gonna go ahead and write with this middle cool tone shade. I just feel like this is gonna help balance out the face since I'm looking so freaking warm right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and hollow my cheeks. So I'm just doing a little bit because I really don't want to make myself any darker than I already am today. I'm gonna go ahead and take the Maybelline Fit Me powder. Guys, this is the, oh yeah, this is the loose powder, just so you know. Guys, this is some stuff. Anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this right underneath the eye. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you guys, this is in the shade Light. And I really like this shade for underneath of the eye because it really brightens. Just see, like, can you compare the 2 sides? Like, this side is so bright. Now I'm going in with the pointy side of my Morphe sponge, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my contour. And I'm just setting this whole part that I put concealer on because concealer, it likes to move around, honey. Now I'm going to let my beard sit on for 1 minute and I'm going to do a little blush. Now I'm going to go in with my MAC blush. This is in the shade Peaches. This is a beautiful color. I like to have my blush right here on my cheeks, right? Like when you smile, it's that nice ball. And then I like to drag it back, all the way back. Now I'm just going to go ahead and dust off this bake that we got going on down here. Now I'm going to go ahead and give my face a nice spritz of some yummy Fix Plus. This is the matte one. I'm just going to go ahead and indulge in this. Now I'm going to go ahead and highlight just to finish my complexion. This is the Wet n Wild. What is this? The Wet n Wild Written in the Stars. Just going to go ahead and dip in, but I'm going to tap off that extra powder. Oh my god, I like just took a deep breath and it was like Alright, I'm gonna go ahead on the high points of my cheeks, like, okay. I know you could see that, it's freaking gorgeous and I just barely tapped my cheek. I'm gonna dip in again with my highlighting brush and now I'm gonna take a little spritz. This is the regular Fix Plus. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give that a nice spritz. I'm gonna let that powder melt together and then like, this is a wet highlight. So yeah guys, I just threw on some lipstick really quick. This is Down to an Art by MAC. It just came out with their recent art library collection. I'm in love. I also put a gloss on top. I just wanted to show you guys the final product. Let me pull my hair back so you can see down here. It's matching beautifully. I really hope that I was able to teach you guys a little bit on how to finesse your foundation into something that's going to work for you, into something that's going to look beautiful, it's going to make you feel beautiful. I hope these tricks will work for you guys as well as they work for me. Alright guys, before you leave this video, go ahead down into the comments and leave me a nice little comment on what you would like to see me do in the future, what kind of videos you want to see, maybe challenges. I'm open to anything. Also, so you guys know, I'm going to start posting every Friday. It's going to be a thing. We're going to be a club. We're going to hang out. We're going to do some makeup. Alright guys, I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me comments. Alright, peace.